With the ongoing COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak, Google has updated the Wear OS clock and added a new app called Hand Wash Timer that periodically flashes up to remind you to wash your hands. But on the Huawei W1, it just crashes. Even after a restart, it crashes. And this is even after the second update of the clock app. Go to System. Go to the apps. System apps. And find the clock. And this is now version 5.40003. So hopefully Google will have a third attempt of stopping the app to crash. Not sure if anybody else is having this problem on any other Wear OS devices. If they have, leave the comment below.